everybody, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got some from China. This is Chengdu. Sweet and spicy noodle. Hey, so we've got a grip of sachets and then a fresh noodle. This is a quick one, so pay attention. I hope it's good. Often these varieties aren't sweet. They're usually just really heavy on Sichuan pepper and pretty angry stuff. So let's drop the fresh noodle in. There we go. It's basically, for this style of noodle, all you got to do is heat it long enough till everything kind of separates, and yeah, you don't need to cook this long. You could eat it the way it is, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's basically already cooked. So how is the U today? It's rainy out, so honestly, I'm happy about that. I went and I did a big walk yesterday. That was the second or third time I've done my new traditional Sunday activity, which is what I'm calling B-roll shoot Sunday. So what I do is I go find spots where I can sit down on a bench, take my backpack off, which I only wear on Sundays. Sundays are made for backpacks. Anyways, what I do is I bring this rig that you're watching the show on, or watching me through. It's a Galaxy S20 Ultra on a monopod. It's like an arm, kind of like a swing arm, lamp arm with a base that's kind of heavy to keep it still. And I just find different spots. Yesterday I went down towards Seattle, went into Seattle, barely, and got some good shots on Lake Washington, and then did time lapses of them. So you will get to see and enjoy. That's what you saw first thing on this. They did a bunch of intros and outros. So yeah, I've been kind of intro heavy, so I did more outros, I think, than intros. I'm trying to think if that's actually the way it went, but I like to keep the intros and outros changing up. It's like, oh, it bugged me. You go watch a show, and every time you watch the show, it's the same intro. It's like, I'm not into that. I like to change it up. I have fun doing it, so that's the main reason I do it. It's not really for you, it's for me. So, I think we're good. All right, so here we go with the oh, you gotta be kidding me. There are no freaking, oh, there's gotta be one. I'll use this. Crap. Alright. We will use this item to drain the noodle. There's always an option. That's important, because I gotta drain the noodle. That'll work. There's that. Basically what this looks like is udon. Kind of hard to tell what else it could be, but maybe someone could. I don't know, but it's what it is. Here is our drained noodle. So we've got sachet 1, and here we go. Pour that on. you saw, but a bunch of that jumped out of the way. I think it's mostly MSG. Very possible. And there's some of that there. So there is definitely gonna be a spiciness, I'm sure, from Sichuan peppercorn or hot peppers. I don't know which. And then we got this one. This is either, I don't know what this is. This may be soy sauce. Or the sweet element. And we got this one. Could be the sweet element as well. I don't know. I'm gonna stir it all up and give it a try. That seems more like soy sauce, but no, that's black vinegar. And then we have 2 bags of what I'm guessing are peanuts. Oh, that's crushed peanut. They don't mess around with a lot of these Chinese varieties. They load them up. Yeah, lots of peanuts in this one. Okay, let's get rid of this stuff. And give it a stir. And we shall see where we end up. But yeah, Monday morning. Didn't get up early enough to do my usual. I would have been already editing video by now and everything, so. But I decided to sleep in. I slept in until 8 a.m. Almost. More like 7:45. All right. Our noodle. Very good. Not incredibly spicy, but a little bit. That's good. It's almost like, I wouldn't call it barbecue sauce flavor, but it's kind of got that kind of to it. You know what I mean? Do I want to use that? I don't know. I don't think I do. Do I want to use that? I think I do. What about there? Now, to do this in a I want to put some veg in there first. So we're going to put in some Fresno pepper, of which I have scads, some spring onion, and some mung bean sprouts. And stir it on up. This is a good one. I really like this one. I like the sweetness.
getting ready for the next review.
There's that, and we're gonna add in some seeds. Honestly, I don't know what else I would add to it. I think that's pretty groovy right there. Maybe a little extra on top. Alright. And there's our groovy Chinese sweetie flavorful yum yum. Alright, well that's that for today, at least for this one. And the next one we got is by Naked Noodle out of the UK. This is their Japanese teriyaki. And yeah, check it out. You'll see it tomorrow. Bye-bye.